You see, I'm something of a magician, inventor, and chocolate maker. So quiet up and listen down. Nope, scratch that, reverse it.
Mr. Wonka, I can see you're a man of great ingenuity.
What are you doing?
I'm making chocolate, of course. How do you like it? Dark, white, nutty, absolutely insane.
Many people have come here to sell chocolate. They've all been crushed by the chocolate cartel. You can't get a shop without selling chocolate, and you can't sell chocolate without a shop.
No daydreaming.
What are we gonna do, Willie?
Huh.
Huh?
Huh.
A double huh.
Do you have a pencil and paper?
Uh-huh.
I got an idea. I know things haven't been easy for you. They're gonna get better.
You promise?
I pinky promise. That's the most solemn vow there is.
Where do we start?
A good chocolate chip is simple.
Where's this? It's just
Weird. What's happening? Oh, what's a chocolate that makes you fly?
Let's find out, shall we? Who's for a Humberchuck?
Nothing to see here. Just a small group of people defying the laws of gravity.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Gallery Gourmet, my name is Willy Wonka.
He's good. Too good. Pretty sure I've gained about 150 pounds in the last 2 weeks.
You could change her life, Mr. Wonka. Change all their lives.
Run away!
Every good thing in this world started with a dream. So you hold on to yours.
Here we go, Mama.
Mark my words, this is gonna be the greatest chocolate shop the world has ever seen. So you're the funny little man who's been following me.
I will have you know that I am a perfectly respectable size for an Oompa Loompa.
An Uber what now?
Allow me to refresh your memory.
Oh, I don't think I want to hear that.
Too late. I've started dancing now. Once we've started, we can't stop.
Okay guys, today we'll be doing our first movie review, and it's going to be Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Let's do this. Okay guys, so it's Sunday, December 17th. The movie came out on the 15th. Today the mall is going to be crazy because people are in the middle of a Christmas shopping. But we're going to go, and we're going to see what we can get into. Yeah, that was the good old days, right? Huh? Okay, yes, so that was a very good movie, you know, like sometimes it's hard to find kids movie that adults can also enjoy, but it was very good. You know, one thing I love about it was the Screen X, that thing where the entire movie theater was like the screen. You know, that was a really, like, you know, that's like new technology that we have never seen before. And this is our first time going out to the movie as a family, so it was good and we enjoyed it. Yay.
I liked the movie, and my favorite part was when the food man got arrested.
Okay. Okay, did you enjoy the movie, and what did you enjoy about it?
Yes, I enjoyed the movie, and my favorite part was when he opened the shop because it looked very colorful.
You guys could maybe go look, maybe do something instead right now. And go up.
I went up already. Okay, guys, so this is cool. So we're inside the mall where we went to see the Willy Wonka movie, and there's like a real full-size like chocolate factory replica that they created from the movie. So you know, this is cool, and this is what we're looking at now, and I'll give you guys a view of what it looks like. Okay, guys, so we just came back from our Willy Wonka movie. What's it called? Wonka?
Yeah, Wonka.
Wonka. Yeah, and this is our first official movie that we went out as a family, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, it's like a musical, a musical.
Yeah, they had like
There had a lot of singing, and yeah, so for me, like, I think it was really, really good. How do you guys feel about it? What do you feel about it, Jaden?
I would say that it's a 5.
Yeah, but what did you like about it? Why you say it's a 5?
Because I like the part that how they sing a lot.
Okay. And you Mariah?
My favorite part, well, not favorite part, let me just say what I like about it. I like how in the movie theater they had 3 screens instead of just one.
Mm-hmm.
So on the sides you could like see like part of it.
Yeah.
So, and yeah, I like how they have people from different places.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's what I like about it.
Okay. Yeah, so that part was amazing too, because that technology is like new. I don't know if you guys have ever seen, it's called Screen X. Yeah. It's where like the movie screen is in front of you, but to the side of the theater, the building, like it's an additional screen that takes over the entire theater, so you can see like, it's like similar to when they had like the 3G the glasses that you used to used to put on those the 3D glasses.
Yeah, it's like you're in the movie.
Like you're in the movie, but this one you didn't have to put on anything. Like you just see like the light and the flashing and the dramatic stuff like taking place all around you, like the side, like what seemed to be like a wall, but it's like an extension of the screen. So that was amazing. I love the singing, because musical is like very old school, right? Yeah. Musical is like from like back in the 50s, the 60s, and sometimes it just looks like very corny, but you know, it was really good. You know, like which movie was it? Like that movie with that little black girl and Jamie Foxx. What's the name again? Annie. You remember like Annie seemed a bit corny, like with the singing and you know, but this seemed more natural, like, you know, where they were singing and it just seemed a bit natural. So, you know, I enjoy that about it. I enjoy like just the graphics, the costumes were good. Yeah. Costumes were good. And I think, yeah, it was just a good movie overall. And it was done by Warner Brothers, which, you know, kudos to them. It was very good, because one of the things that us as parents have to worry about with movies is that most of the movies that have been coming out recently, parents have to be like screening the movie before they allow their kids to watch it, you know, stuff like that, because sometimes they're talking about stuff that parents are not comfortable with their kids watching. But this movie was just like fun. There was no hidden like agenda or anything like that in the movie. So it was really good. And what I like about it too, because most of the movies, 90% of movies that are remade, not good. Yeah. Not good. So you see, like the original one, the Willy Wonka, it's a 1981. It came out, the original. 1981. Yeah, so the original came out in 1981. And normally when you have like those older movies and they try to do a remake, it's not good.
Yeah, like how they remade Ariel.
Yeah, just not good. But this one, arguably, might be controversial, but arguably better than the original. So, that was good.
Yeah, because how they did, because the first one was like him already having his factory, but the other one he just got it. It's like a replay.
Yeah.
I want to say something else. Is that usually when they remake movies, they do it like exactly like the movie.
Yeah.
But this one, it was kind of like connected to the other two, is because it was before he had his factory.
Yeah. So the one that we watched last year, that almost felt like a Christmas movie. The one Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Yeah, because it has a.
Yeah. So Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, it's like showing him with this factory already.
Yeah.
And what they did, like this one was like pretty much showing him like as a younger version of himself and how he got to, to be like the big chocolatier. And at the end of the movie, they show like the palace that he was going to start his new chocolate factory. So that was cool also. And yeah, it was good. So now time to rate. How would you rate it? Like Jaden already said 5. You'll give it a 5-star?
Yes.
5-star? And you were?
5-star.
But I need to say something. So guys, if you do go to a movie theater, don't come with them because they're gonna eat all the popcorn.
Yes, I would give it a 5 also because, as I said, like it was a musical, and musical can seem boring at times. Yeah. So it wasn't boring. It was a movie that like the entire family could enjoy. Sometimes you go to movie that like only kids can enjoy, or sometimes there's a movie that's not appropriate for kids. But this one, like all of us could enjoy it. All of us were just laughing throughout we're just amazed, laughing and looking at the screen with the Screen X technology. The costumes were good. Yeah. Like the diversity in the movie was good. Like there are actors from England, there are actors from America, from all over the place. They are young and old, so it was very good. And I'll give it a 5-star too because of that. And it was one of the first time in a long time, like I felt like we could watch a movie without screening it before the kids get to see it. So yeah, if you guys, watch the movie and you like it, you can, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you like about it. Did you like, the costumes, the
songs?
The Screen X technology, if that's in the theater that you guys watch it. I'm not sure if it's only in our movie theater because sometimes it's not available in all theaters, right? Yeah. So yeah. What were you gonna say, Jaden?
So is it okay if I go to just like a little spoiler?
No spoiler alert. People are gonna watch the movie, so no spoiler alert. Yeah, so it was a fun movie. I'd recommend it 100%. Like 5 stars. So leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you think, and peace out.